Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. This is the Aston Martin Vantage GT8 and this is by Majorette. So this is coming under the racing car series. So let's get it unboxed and see how it looks. Okay, let's keep this here for a bit and let's see the card as well. Okay, so here is the card. So a lot of people are asking me where I'm buying this car. So I know particularly this one I bought it from a website called Tiny Town. So you can just those guys are really good. They have stocks on every I think every 2 weeks basis. So you will get some good collection there. Okay, let's get to the car. Here it is. Okay, this green looks really gorgeous. It's a glittering green. So I was waiting for this particular variation to arrive. It took some time for me to get it. The other one was like yellow color. Personally didn't like that one, but I'm happy I got this one because this one looks really phenomenal. Here is the interior. Tires are actually plastic since usually Majorette uses rubber tires on their deluxe editions only, not on the racing edition or their premium edition. And the spoilers are also made of plastic, so it's not a metal, but rest of the entire body is metal. And I really love the headlights. That looks really awesome. Color combination looks really nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.